You ever catch that look from your mom across the room?
Yeah, you know what's coming. Sasa ain't just a thing, it's a lesson. Back in the day, I was wildin' for real, breaking rules, running my mouth, thinking I'm sly. Didn't matter if it was big or small. Mama's hand came flying like a wrecking ball. Caught a Sasa in the church, yelling during prayer. One in the store, yup, aisle 3, I swear. At school, in the nurse room, catching a slap. I must have been the magnet. Sasa found my lap. Why you running? Sasa. Why you crying? Sasa. Why you hiding in the closet? Sasa. Ooh, so just face it. The Sasa chose ya. Sasa in the morning, Sasa at night. For talking back or not acting right. Whole body been Sasa, head to my feet. But they said it's love, yeah, the Sasa runs deep. Sasa in the Ulu, Sasa in the rear. Can't lie, thought they were trying to end me. But here I am, grown and strong. Still flinching when the slipper comes on. Sasa from mama, okay, that's alright. She cool off after, bring me food that night. But Sasa from pops, ooh, so I be crying. Tears on the floor, thought I was dying. One time I sneezed wrong, bam, Sasa came quick. Didn't even breathe and still got hit. At the store, Sasa, at the hospital, Sasa. In the car even before I caused drama. Pop said Sasa is love, was he lying? So Sasa was sacred, sent from above. But now I'm grown with trauma in me. Flinching when auntie reached for her keys. Sasa in the morning, Sasa at night. For talking back or not acting right. Whole body been Sasa, head to my feet. But they said it's love, yeah, the Sasa runs deep. Sasa in the Ulu, Sasa in the rear. Can't lie, thought they were trying to end me. But here I am, grown and strong. Still flinching when the slipper comes on. Sasa in the morning, Sasa at night. You wanna give you something to cry for? Please, I already am, why more? Sasa in the face, Sasa in the soul. Sasa in the face, Sasa in the soul. Still got flashbacks when I see that bowl. The wooden spoon, the rubber slipper, and the hairbrush, oh, the Sasa trigger. But real talk, I'm still here. So maybe the Sasa made me strong. Or maybe I just got used to ducking.
Love you, mom and dad, but no more Sasa, please.